Hi, my name is Dan Hoover, and I want to help you get the results you really desire in life in the next 90 days. I want to share a little bit about how this works and also tell you what some of my prior clients have achieved. Actually, thousands of people have changed their lives for the better by studying this program. My coach, my mentor, Bob Proctor, created Thinking into Results based on his 60 years of study and practice of this material. In 2017, I became a student of Bob's and went through TIR myself. It had such a dramatic impact on my life. It was changed for the better. So much so that I decided to become a Proctor Gallagher consultant. And within a short time, I was one of Bob's top consultants in the world. Now, Bob comes from a long lineage of thought leaders. He studied under Earl Nightingale, a pioneer of personal development in the 1950s and 60s. Earl studied under Napoleon Hill, who authored the famous book Think and Grow Rich, a book that Bob studied every day of his adult life. When you join my Thinking to Results Fast Track program, each week you will be expected to watch a short lesson video twice a day for 6 days a week, complete exercises in the workbook, and join my weekly facilitation of the lesson. This is a live session via Zoom. Now, I guarantee results for my program, and if after 45 days of study you decide that this program is not for you, you're unsatisfied for any reason, you may request a full money back guarantee. Now, how do I get away with that? It's because I'm so confident in this program. Every one of my clients have achieved results. One woman doubled her income in 1 year. And in that same year, she found her soulmate using the concept she learned in Thinking into Results. Another one of my clients dreamed of building a house for years, but couldn't finance it. After going through TIR, he found a way to finance his dream home. Another client was fairly successful in a business. She owned her own business, but she really desired to change to what she called her dream business. She wanted to cancel one business and start another one, and she had a 3 to 5 year plan on how to get that done. After working with me, she completed that in 7 months. It's true. TIR can help you with any goal. It can be life-changing for you. If you're tired of dreaming of the life that you really desire and you feel like maybe time is running out, I think you owe it to yourself to schedule a short chat with me. Click on the link below and schedule a call. We'll discuss TIR, how it applies to you and your situation, and we'll get all of your questions answered. TIR can help you too.